Hi everybody. I was going to do a video on YouTube subscribers and how to use the YouTube app to help build your subscribers. So if I go into my list of subscriptions at the bottom here, I get this option to manage. Now this is something that I'm doing on an Android phone. So when I go manage, I've got new activity. So this tells me the people at the top are the most active. What I would do is just scroll down, go down as far as I can. Now I've got quite a few subscribers here, so I'm gonna go right down to the bottom. Um, actually, no, before I do that, oh no, actually I'm good. Sorry. So I go right down to the bottom, and then the people at the bottom are the least active. So now I can move them over and hit unsubscribe. So by doing this, I can remove people who are really not active um, on YouTube, and then I can go through and actually subscribe to people that are more active. So it's a good way to build my subscription fast using the app. And I do this fairly often. I'll go through, and sorry if you're one of the people I'm unsubscribing right here, but be more active on YouTube, and then I'll come back to you. But right now I'm taking these people out. So that's just a quick way to go ahead and clean up your subscription list and get rid of some of those people that just aren't really doing you any favors being being subscribed to, and getting some more active subscribers. So some people just don't know their way around the app so much. So it's a nice little tutorial video for you guys, and hopefully you find it useful. Please comment below, and yeah, hopefully that helps you build your channel a little faster. Stop recording.